Yeah, 40 years in business. Hi, I'm Frank Laloya, President of Custom Landscaping and Lawn Care. We're a full-service landscaping and snow removal company based out of central New Jersey. Back in 1982, my dad started Custom Landscaping and Lawn Care, and as a 12-year-old kid, I worked alongside my dad. In 2005, I later took over the company. As a kid, working alongside my dad, I learned very early that hard work and treating customers the way that you would want to be treated are the core values of our success still today. Even though our company has grown larger today, we still have the same core values as we did in 1982. All of our success we see today would not be possible if it were not for all the customers over the years who have trusted us to perform work at their properties, in addition to all our hard-working employees who have put in the time and hard work and effort over all the years. I think the next 40 years for Custom Landscaping and Lawn Care will be very exciting as technology continues to evolve. In years to come, our business model and structure will look very different than it does today. However, we look forward to continue providing our customers with the best possible customer service as we can. Thank you again to all our customers and employees, and we look forward to another 40 years.